Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're in Sainsbury's and we're checking out the new stock of Sainsbury's, and we're having a look at the old stock as well that's here. Not been to Sainsbury's before yet, so let's take a look and see what the products Sainsbury's got. So not a great start. We've got petunias, £2 or 3 for £5. Also some geraniums. On the top shelf we've got some honeysuckle climbers. These are £4.50 or 3 for £12. We've got some more dead plants, some marigolds. These are £2, 3 for £5. The best ones we've got here are some lavender. These are £4, looking better. Underneath, I'm not going to show much more of these because they're not looking that great, but they're £2 a tray or 3 for £5. And they're looking a bit sad. So we've got some more lavender at the bottom. So the tray behind, we've got bay trees, and these are £18. They're looking better. And the Acer, which is not looking so good. We've got a fuchsia, which is £5. And then we've got some passion flowers. These are £8. And we can see these are growing well. Next underneath we've got some hydrangeas. These are £15. They're just turning over. And some celosa for £10. Some lovely colours. We've got some of these orange things. And these are £10 for a plant. And then we've got some dying box plants. And these are £15. On the next shelf over we've got some more passion flowers. These are £8. And then some hebes just dying at the bottom. They're not looking good at all. So looking at a healthier trolley, we've got various clematis for £4.50 and also various honeysuckles. On the bottom we've got a fuchsia, some baskets. These are £8. And then at the bottom we've got some bedding plants. These are £4.50. They're marigolds, or 3 for £12. They're looking a lot better. At the bottom we've got some Felicia. These look nice. Don't normally see these in supermarkets. We've got some more fuchsias. And we've got these African marigolds, which are looking really good. They're looking very good. So looking across, we've got some compost, which doesn't have any prices. We've got some deep tomato planters. These are £8.75 for one, or 2 for £10. Which is a good deal. And they've got plenty of these. We've got a video of us using our planter, so check that out. Topsoil, £4.50 a bag. And we've got another random trolley. The trolley's just randomly everywhere. And we've got some olive trees, £15. Check out our olive tree video. And a bay tree, selling £18. And we've got some nice healthy lavender. These are £4 a tray. They're looking really, really good. And we've got some campanula. These are £4. And these are great for the birds and the bees and the insects. Great pollinators. Looking round the corner, we've got some more compost, all purpose, £7 or 2 for £10. We've got various bulbs. Packets of bulbs for £10, smaller bulbs for £2.50, and they did say I've got some lupins there still. So, lupins, and then the smaller boxes underneath. And the next trolley over, we've got all the kiddie sowing seeds, and baskets, and various other little bits and pieces. We have a look in store, so we've got the normal regular products, So lawn seeds, we've got feeds, tomato feeds, and all the various other feeds. Nothing else too exciting. And on the bottom here we've got some pots, various pots, and then hose accessories, just the standard hose accessories. Some of those reduced and sell already. And these ducks look really cute. My daughter would love the ducks. And a nice garden sign with no price on. Little lavender pockets look good. And some more pots. Lots of lights. Every supermarket likes solar lights. So there's a big selection of solar lights. And a nice little wreath of a heart there. That's looking lovely. So there we go. That's all the products at Sainsbury's. Let me know if you've bought any of these from Sainsbury's.